Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna show you how to delete duplicate photos in Google Photos. And guys, make sure that your Gmail account is connected to your Google Photos. So guys, let's continue into your Google Photos. And guys, let me tell you something, that there is no option to delete duplicate photos all at once. You need to delete the photos manually, and we have to do it the same way as always. We normally select and delete the photos. So just tap on the photos you want to delete and just tap on the delete option. Now tap on move to trash, and that's it, your photo is deleted. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.